Good morning. So before I start working at my studio, the first thing I do every morning is to clean our chicken coop. So I will give you a tour. We have 12 chickens and 2 ducks who sleep in the blue coop you see on the left. They are not just part of our family, they also inspire my art. I love painting chickens, so you will definitely hear more about them. Hello, ducks. Hello. Hi, Sasha. Sasha is our rooster. These are Swedish Black. The name of the breed. And this is our chicken coop. My husband built it. This is our main door, and this is the chicken gate. It's programmed to close and open at certain times of the day. Hello, Onyx. And this is the feeder. It's hold about enough feed for all our chickens for up to 1 month. So this opens with the weight of the chicken or the duck, and they can eat while they're standing, sleeping on this. And here's another chicken gate insulated with fleece. Hello, chicks. Many of them are still in bed. Hello, Sophie. So for the bedding, we use volcanic mineral called PDZ, and it binds with ammonia, so it eliminates the odor. Also, it absorbs moisture up to 6 times of its own weight. That's how we keep our chicken coop nice and clean. So all I have to do is to scoop up fresh poo and make sure all the chicks are doing well. Also check and collect some eggs if there are any. So this works just like a cat litter, but the PDZ is not made of clay like a cat litter, so it's compostable. We just put it in the compost, and we can use that soil for our gardens. And I also close the windows because it's supposed to get about 100 degrees during the day, so we want to keep the room temperature cool during the day. Hi, Sophie. Hi, Rosie, do you want to come down? Hi, Hazel. Let's go. Yes. Amy, let's go. Let's go, Amy. You can do it. Good job. The Amy, Puffy, and Sophie are almost 10 years old, so they need a little bit of help. Come on, Sophie. You ready? So there are 3 nipples attached to the PVC pipe, and they can drink water by picking at the nipple. And it's connected to the garden hose, so they can drink water 24/7. And this is how our feeder works. When they are standing on the step, the cover of the feeder opens with their body weight. So other wild birds and rats can't get into the feeder. Now here is it's automatic gate. What looks like from inside. There's control panel. We can program the time to close and open the gate depending on the season. All the chicken coop floor is covered with concrete, so the raccoons can't get in. Now I'm gonna take you to my studio. Here is our compost. We try to compost and recycle as much as we can. And this is my studio. And after breakfast, I'm gonna work on painting project. I hope you enjoyed the tour.